Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your image and locating the text. If you see a text layer, select the Type tool and click to edit. This preserves formatting. Once done, if the text is part of the pixels, duplicate the layer and use the lasso or marquee to isolate the area before erasing. Make sure to set a backup so you can revert. You're now ready to remove or modify text without risking the original image, and you've already minimized destructive edits. Next, remove the old text and recreate the background so your new text looks natural. Use content-aware fill for quick fills. If it's imperfect, switch to the clone stamp and sample nearby pixels to rebuild texture. Once the area reads correctly, apply the healing brush to blend edges and reduce patterns. Make sure to work on a separate layer so you can tweak blending modes and opacity. This step is about matching grain, light, and color so your new text will sit convincingly on the image. Finally, add your new text and tune its appearance to match the photo. Use the Type tool, pick a font and size that complement the image, and adjust color and tracking. You can then use layer styles for shadow or stroke. Make sure to transform the text with Ctrl or CMD+T to match perspective and warp if needed. Once satisfied, export as JPEG or PNG and save a layered PSD to preserve edits. If alignment or color looks off, revisit blending and sampling before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.